the reindeer eat there?
Go see. Oh my goodness, they ate a lot of them, didn't they?
Yeah.
Oh, it's raining on this Christmas morning.
You're fine.
Yes, let's go inside. Do you want to go look at what's in your stocking? Hey, Grandma and Grandpa, hurry up!
Grandpa, hurry up.
We're coming.
They're coming.
Second.
What?
Second.
Stockings!
Stockings! Wow, look at that!
Go sit down. Go sit down. Let's wait for Grandma.
Come on,
What's
Grandma.
over here?
Come down here. Good listening, Wendy.
Yes.
You were such a good listener. Santa came to see.
Yeah, a good girl. There you go. See what you got.
Where's Grandma?
Oh, Santa, come on.
Present.
Present for Lindy.
Open it.
You can open it.
Ooh, what do you
What's
think
that
it
sound
is?
like? More presents.
Can you open them? Open them up. Do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay. Here. There you go.
More presents.
Lindy, open your present, please. Wow.
What is it?
What are they? Christine, what is it? Look at it. What is it? A
Fork and a
Ooh.
spoon.
Oh, no way.
Look at how fun.
All right.
Keep looking. There's more stuff in there.
You keep digging.
Can you turn it over and pour it out?
Oh, good idea.
There we go. Shake it out. Oh, what's
More
that?
present.
More presents.
I opened it.
You open it, yeah.
You got a lot of toothbrushes.
Toothbrushes.
Mine.
Your new toothbrushes. And you brush your teeth.
It's about time for a new toothbrush, huh? What are they? Snoopy?
Snoopy toothbrushes.
Open it.
No, we'll open them later, okay?
And you're ready to brush your teeth.
Open the other present.
She's posing for pictures.
See it got
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need help? What'd you say?
Good job.
Oh, Mickey Mouse
Oh.
puzzle.
Puzzle. All right.
No, No, we'll put it
No.
together later, okay?
You
You
got a
and
lot
Daddy
more
can
stuff
do
coming
it.
yet.
This is
Who's
something
on
with
that
Daddy.
puzzle?
Who is that?
Mickey Mouse.
Yeah.
Very
You
good.
and Daddy can do this together. That'll be fun.
Mm-hmm.
What else is in here, Lindsay? Let's keep looking.
No.
What is it?
Oh.
There's another gift
What's
here.
that?
There's another one here to open.
What's that? Where'd
What's
that
that?
come from? This. What is this?
Santa found it on the street someplace.
She said she better replace the old one.
Is it new or did you find it?
No,
Daddy,
new.
Okay.
open it.
We will in a little while.
New one.
Let's go, Buffalo!
Yay!
Yeah.
Okay, here, open this.
Cindy.
Look at Grandma.
Look at Grandma. Here.
Yeah.
Lindy, here.
Oh, yeah. New toothbrush.
She's like, what?
Santa did.
Keep doing it. Here.
Here it is. Look
What
at
is
this.
that?
Oh my goodness.
Mickey Mouse.
Wow.
Hey, more stuff.
What else is in here? Oh my goodness.
Toothbrush.
I'm gonna get hers too.
What else you got?
Who's on that
Oh,
toothbrush,
thank you.
Lindy? A new ornament.
Ornament.
Oh, it looks like the elf.
The elf.
All right.
What else is in there?
I think that's it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.